Hi, I'm Natalie Casanova, also known as TheZombiiUnicorn, and I am a professional streamer, host, and voice actress. You may have seen me on Twitch, twitch.tv/ZombiiUnicorn with no E and zombie, or on YouTube, youtube.com/TheZombiiUnicorn with no E, or on Fox's Kicking and Screaming survival reality show. I'm a professional streamer and content creator, among many other things. And I'm here today going to tell you about all how to do this whole thing, this whole content creation thing, online, whether it's streaming, video production, social media. We're gonna talk about how to create content, how to up your quality of your production, how to deal with the challenges you're gonna face, and many more things. So let's get into it. I've been streaming a little over 5 years and making videos on YouTube for almost just as long. And I got started by playing a game called Smite. And it was in closed beta back in the day. I really wanted to get good at it, so I started watching other people play it on Twitch. I became a part of their community and started playing with them on their stream. And one day, one of them, Lionheart, he actually was like, hey, Skype with me and you could put your camera on, I could put your camera on my stream as well. So we did, and people received me very well, so he encouraged me to start my own channel, and I did. From there, I actually had hurt my ankle, and I couldn't walk for like 7 months. So it was a lot of sitting down, playing video games. I was working at my college on my college newspaper, a lot of sitting down at the computer, so I would stream and play games like 12 hours a day, and it ended up getting me noticed by, I got noticed by High Res Studios, who makes Smite. They decided to put me on their channel as one of their official streamers very early on. And then from there, it just kind of grew and branched out into other games. Started doing YouTube then and made different kinds of content, more comedy-based, less serious. And from there, it just really kind of blossomed into this kind of person who made all kinds of content. So not just your gaming stuff. I would make like machinimas on YouTube, which are, where you are kind of acting and taking video of parts of a game and doing little voiceovers. And that developed me to, more voice acting stuff, which then became a passion of mine. And I never really knew that. And a lot of people who like to stream and do games also have that passion. Or hosting. Some of the things I've done have been hosting, interviewing game developers at conventions. And those things kind of helped me meet more game developers, more publishers, marketers, and got me into the industry as well and got my name out there a little bit more. And from there, it's just been a lot of streaming, YouTube. Eventually got on audition for a TV show, went on the TV show, won the TV show. And then now I'm still doing more voice acting, more hosting, live hosting at events. And it all really started from just sitting around playing 12 hours a day of Smite, and it's crazy. It's been a wild ride.